Hello friends, welcome to Bootstrap 4 Essential Training. In last video we discussed about, I explained about Bootstrap button components, and in this video I will explain about Bootstrap list group component, that how we can create a list group, and list group can use for different purposes in the web designing, when we are designing a website or when we are designing a web template. So according to the content we can use list group, but how to create list group in Bootstrap, that we will discuss now. So for list group you can first create a container. Container we have to row, then the class column md4. If you know about unordered list, like we create in HTML, that is unordered list, simply first create unordered list, ul, and then list, so li, and then space. Like this is according to the content, this is list. So if we will check in the website folder index file, you can see this is unordered list. But what we can do, in ul we will have to type a class that is list group, list hyphen group, and in li you will have to type li class list group item, and same here, class list group item, and same here, li class list group item, and li class list group item, and same in the last class, like list group item. This is list group. Now we can, before this list group, in this section, if you want like h2, like we can type economy. Okay. Then we can copy this section. You can paste it 2 times. This is row and this is container. So inside container we have 3 sections. In Bootstrap, if you type h2 class text hyphen center, so what will happen, text will be in the center of the section, so this step. Same here, like h2 class text hyphen center, and same here, h2 class text hyphen center. So economy, like deluxe, and like this one is business. So these are 3 types of hosting, for example. Now we can do lots of things with this list group item. We can open like CSS, custom.css, and it is dot list hyphen group hyphen item background color, for example yellow. You can see background color has been changed. List group item like text align center, so this text is now in the center. Perfect. And text align center, and what we can do more, like if we type dot list group item colon over, so we can change background color like light. Refresh it. Perfect. And we can also type like transition 2 seconds. So see, it will take 2 seconds when I will refresh. See, I change that 1 second. 1 second looks good. And we can also apply like transform, like scale, and if we want to apply zoom, so we can apply 1.2 horizontal zoom, 1.2 vertical. And now if we check, refresh, see, not bad. If we type here like HR and div class container, div class row, div class MD6, in 6 we will copy the same list group, and this six I will copy again and paste here. This one is now if we check, you can see it's in 6 columns like this. And if you open get bootstrap.com and get started, and if you check in the components like list group, so you can check, this is the basic examples. And if you want to make it linked, so just like button, we will have to remove li class. Li, just type A, and list group item action. You can see like this. In a hyperlink reference we can make it a link. So let me show you, like instead of this A hyperlink reference https www.google.com, and class list group item and list group item action, list group item action, and this one will close with A. So what will happen, this will be a link. See, this is now a link. So if we click here, it will go to Google. Perfect. For better understanding, I will change unlimited space to Google. So this is Google. So we click, we go to the Google. So this is link and something like this is yes. When you type li class list group item, and if you type just like in buttons we have primary, secondary, dangerous, success, small, and we can see also here. So you can type list group item danger. So the color is, if I'm not wrong, we will have to remove this for temporary basis. If we check, see, this is because first our CSS was working. So see, this group item, danger, success, whatever you will type here, it will work. So same if you will type here, this group item, success. So this will be green. See. So right now this is enough for list group. You have learned a lot about list group items. So how we can create list group item, and how we can apply CSS also to this list group. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.